Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Compliments. Literally, right here. Okay, so we will have an unleashing of kits. Yep, kits, because I have ordered this. Oh, it's big, and I think there are four kits right here. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, alright. Yeah, let's just open it. And I don't know. I think these are bootlegs. So those person doesn't like bootlegs, yep, you can go and find some other videos of mine. I have a playlist right there. You can see the playlist Gunpla, and I have some other Bandai and non-Bandai, which is still an original kits that I have on that playlist. But yeah, we have here right now a bootleg one. Okay, so let's go with a, yeah, it's a hobby knife, but still, I think it has rusted hobby knife. Do not use any rusted equipment on building your Gunplas or any kind of model kit. Okay, this is just for opening some boxes and unleashing the kits. Okay, let's go. Right there. Yep, I ordered 4 kits, and I think I ordered this from overseas. Yeah, maybe I just forget what store I have ordered this one. But yeah, let's have first here, and this one is very cute, man. Who I've been hunting this one on Bandai, but yeah, right now it's a little bit not so rare, but it's not so usual to see this kit available anymore on the market. So yeah, some bootleg company made this one, and yeah, it really makes me happy to have already the, this is your JMS Bird-Gai. Yeah, and this is the is this the Bird-Gai 3 or the Bird-Gai Sun? I just forget. But yeah, this is the yellow one, the yellow Bird-Gai. Yeah, I think it's from the Build Fighters, the very first build. The very first? No, it's not. Yeah, it's the very first Build Fighters. I forgot the names of the characters, but I know what are the relationship of those characters. But yeah, so this is it. Wow, it's not yet an unboxing. I just really want to see if it's the yellow one. Whoa, it has some stickers. And yeah, see that? Oh, sunny yellow, cheddar kind of yellow. Yeah, mozzarella. It's like a food. It's very nice, man. And to tell you, it still has the parts of the Akhgai in yellow. So if you want to build this one into yellow, an Akhgai in yellow, you can really have it. Yep, very nice. So yeah, the very first one right here is a very cute one, a yellow Bird-Gai. Yeah. Okay, so let's proceed to the other one. So I will just put it right here at the front. Okay, so the next one is this one right here, and this is your this is your Shindong, am I right? Shindong RGM 79S GM Spartan, or the sand type. Yep, it's the sand type of the sand type or desert type. Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? You can put there on the comment if I'm wrong or not. But yeah, I will just I will correct myself on the title of this video. Yeah, and a little bit disappointed on the package because it's been wrapped. Yeah, but yeah, let's see. Let's check the package right here. The parts are okay or not. Oh, you're okay. It's okay. Oh, details are nice. Very crisp. Yep. Yeah, very nice. You can see there? Yeah. It's not yet unboxing, okay? Just really want to see if the kit is correct or not. Let's see. So let's have the another one. The kit right here, and we have here your. Yeah, let me correct first the box because it's very crumpled. Okay, so we have here your this is your Gundam the Origin RX-78-2 rollout version. Yeah, rollout version. So it's like it has that 2 kind of antennas. Yeah, so let's see, let me check. It's just the white, black, it still has that red and yellow. But yeah, should I really use that yellow one? Yeah. Okay, it's the rollout version. And as I know, it has 6 kinds of faceplate, or like a mask right here. Right there. And as I know, there's already a rollout version, but in an Optimus Prime color. Yeah, because the name rollout is the word that Optimus Prime used to call their comrades. Yep, in Transformers. So yeah. Then the last one, the last but not the least, is this one. Ooh, this is your Campfire, but don't worry, it's not the other Campfire or the same Campfire that I've been doing on my live. This Campfire is a different one because this Campfire is your... What? I'm expecting different, but yeah. I ordered the red one? Really? The red? Yeah, okay. The red one, I ordered the red Campfire. Okay. But yeah, I'm not... I just forgot what I ordered. Yeah, but it's the red one. So it's the red Campfire. So these are the kits that I ordered last time. And yeah, they've been sitting here on my caveman room right here. On my hobby room. For almost... I think it's almost 2 weeks already. So yeah, this is just the time that that's the only time that I got to unleash these kits. Okay, so yeah, so we have 4 kits right here, and they're very nice. Oops, it's inverted. Okay, so we have here the 3 kits that we have, and yeah, all of them will have their own unboxing. And we before the unboxing, I will do a record for unboxing, and then we will have the live build. Yep, live build, not a speed build, because they are bootlegs. It's so hard to do bootlegs speed build, because yeah, you know, there are some issues about the fitting, stickers, paints. Yeah, you know about that. If it's bootleg, expect the unexpected. And yeah, so we'll have just a live one. So if you want to see the building experience for this one, you can tune in on my channel and wait for the live build for these kits, because yeah, I still have so many responsibilities here as being a teacher and some other businesses that we have right here. Okay, so yeah, these are the unleashing here on my kit. The rollout version of the RX-2, the Campfire Red version, the desert or sand type of the GM GM Spartan, and then our very nice what's that, the bird guy, the yellow bird guy right here. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Okay, so for now, thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Gumbarber Show signing off. Woo, so very big, man. So many 4 kids. Let's do this. Yeah, double time. Okay, that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. So hard. Yeah, bye-bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below. Hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer, and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.